Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a phone Samsung Galaxy A51 and this phone is do not turn on the display. You can see I have power on the display but mobile working display no light. So now I press the power key and volume plus volume minus key together to take the restart and phone sometime hang your phone. If you take the restart your phone is working. So I restart that phone but not working. So now I will open the back cover and check what is the problem inside. So already I have to open and remove all the screw in back side. You can see you need a small screwdriver and open the back part. So now I am opening the back part. After I open, check inside what is the problem. So almost I have to remove the back part and then now I will disconnect that all the connection. First I disconnect the battery and disconnect the display connection, and here is also disconnect the display connection from the ribbon downside. Okay, and reconnect all the option. You can see guys, this way you have to open your phone and disconnect all the connection and connect again. And now I will power on and I return back the back cover. Okay, so I try to power on is I return back the back cover. Already I have to return back, and now I will press the power key and check phone is working or not working. So guys, you can see the phone is working perfectly. So if you have problem like this, your phone hang or display no power, no light, so don't afraid. Your display if is good, it will be work if you take the restart. So guys, you can see the video how I do fix this Samsung Galaxy A51, A71, all the Samsung mobile you can fix at home. Sometime mobile is stuck, do not working display. So now you can see it's working perfectly, very good. So guys, if my video help you, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Now I return back the back cover with the glue. So I have a phone glue and I return back. So almost my phone is done. So thank you guys for supporting me and always watching my video. I hope this video also can help you and save your money. So thank you guys, see you again next video. All the best. Thank you. You can see this phone is Samsung Galaxy A51 model.